Hey guys, it's me again, Caroline, coming to you from MC Beaters, and having my coffee this evening, enjoying that. Decided to rest. My husband made delicious tacos. Well, I had taco salad, and now I decided to craft. I stopped at the dollar store before I got home, and I decided, you know what? Being that I'm in the spring mood and everything I'm making is spring related, I said, you know what, let's just go for the gold. So I decided I was going to make shadow boxes with a lighthouse kind of theme, which is a summer kind of theme. So I picked up to make my shadow box 3 5x7 frames, which is how I made for those shadow boxes that I used during Christmas. And I got, you know, these calendars they sell. I mean, this is really, I use these calendars, and I got this idea from One Very Happy Bird. And she uses the images on the back, and she uses them to make her ornaments with the bead dangles. And that's where I got the idea. So I got all doggy calendars, and I took out all the pictures, and I made my doggy ornaments. So I shout out to her because that gave me the idea. So I looked at the back of the images, and I just love lighthouses. And I'm thinking, you know what? Let me go with, I think the one I like best is, now I don't know which is the one. Oh yeah, it's this one. So I'm going to cut that out and fix it on the very last one. I also picked up these lights. I usually, when I make my shadow boxes, I make sure that I have some kind of lighting paraphernalia, whether it be within the shadow box or on the outskirts or perimeter. So, but they don't sell those yet, so I figured, you know what, I'll put some cute little votives inside. I got this burlap that I'm going to be putting around. I got some shells, and I got these. I'm always buying these at the dollar store because whatever I don't use, I just, you know, use for my next craft. So I saw the colors in this image, and I matched it with these, so I might put them on the outside. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go with this, but I wanted you guys to, you know, see me through this. Before I start doing this, I wanted to show you, I ordered from this website called Shein or Shein. I don't know if I'm saying it right. And they have clothes that are discounted. And I don't know if they're located in China. I'm really not sure. No, because I got it too quickly. I placed my order last week, and I got it yesterday, actually. So I only picked clothing that was like $4. Hold on. That's my like little treat at night. My little coffee. And I got this, again, because I'm all about spring and summer now. I got this, and this was $4. You know, it's cute. Definitely something you would wear on a cruise. But it's very shiny. But I'm all about this for the summer. So I got this. It was $4. I also got this cute dress, but I see that it is so see-through. So I am not going to go and buy a slip for this because it's just pointless. The whole point of this was to get something that was inexpensive for the summer, and it's quite long. So I'm going to use this as a bathing suit cover-up, or when, you know, in the summertime when I have everyone over, you know, my kids and their friends and my family, I'm always in and out from the pool, inside the house, you know, and either serving stuff or bringing stuff outside on the deck, or, you know, crafting with Marianne. And, you know, I might have my bathing suit on, I might not, or I might just have my bathing suit and just put, you know, a cover up over it. And I got this, and I told Christina she can have it because I bought it for her, and then I'm like, I actually kind of like it. Isn't this cute? It's off the shoulder. And I think this was a little bit more than $4. I'm not quite sure. So I got that. I also bought other stuff. I bought 99-cent jewelry, but again, I bought it for the charms, and these charms are really cute. Okay, so, and I got a wish package, but I'm just going to wait for the rest of them and just do one big wish haul. All right, so let me start working on this. And by the snap of a finger, voila! Okay, I don't know why I'm so far and I'm so like low. Okay, well, this is what I came up with. And if you guys want to, I'm sure that most of you or some of you or maybe none of you ever made a shadow box, but when you make it and you want to fill it, make sure you put enough in, because after I had glued the top part, you can't undo it. So I realized I should have put more shells in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they move around, you know, and the shells are there. And I could not fit the votives in because they were too wide. So I put them on the outside so you can see them. And of course I made sure that the on-off switch is under here so I could just shut them off. And I thought that adding those two seashells was good. You know, not good, but you know, I thought it would add something. The top, I wanted to emulate clouds, the blue and the white. So that's why I put that on the top. And I thought these would bounce off the color of the shells, which you cannot really see, but you know, I'm really happy with this. So this is my little craft for today, and I have a lot of extra shells. I'll do something with it. So thanks for watching, and I would have done a tutorial, but you didn't want to see what went down because I have glue everywhere. Anyhow, this is how this looks. I hope everyone is having an enjoyable Wednesday evening. Rest, relax as I listen to my daughter sing her solo from downstairs. Bye guys. Take care.